KIBERA, a name that once mentioned, what comes into the mind of Kenyans is violence, misery, and the post-election violence of the year 2007. But wait, is KIBERA really the most dangerous place in Kenya as we have always been told? In the year 2007, during the post-election violence in Kenya, KIBERA was regarded as the hotspot of chaos and killings that tormented this country. Now we are in the year 2022, only remaining with 3 days to the general elections. Today, walk with us as we unfold the current situation at the heart of KIBERA. My name is FELIX MWENDA. I'm an online content creator, I'm a journalist, and I'm a Kenyan. I remember right now we are in the election times, and we know that our country is anticipating a lot of things during this time of election. So today, we as the journalists in this country and through our online media content creation team, we decided to take a venture into one of the biggest slums that we have in Africa, and one of the core places where a lot of votes and a lot of voters are located in, remembering that today being on 5th of August 2022, we are anticipating the general election which is going to happen on 9th of August. So today, we have decided to go to KIBERA, and as you can see as of right now, I'm in a barber shop in KIBERA, and I was receiving an haircut, as you can see. So this is a peaceful area, and we want to show you what our country wants and what our country is anticipating for even after these elections. We knowing that this country in the year 2007, we had the worst times that we have ever experienced as a country since this country was born and we were given our own independence. So leo tuko huku na tunafanya kama kawaida, tunatembea. We want to show you our country, we want to show you the great KIBERA slums and what a lot of people don't show you there on TV. Si watu wengi wanakuonyesha the good side of KIBERA. BBC wakikuja huku, they will show you huko mali watu wanasafa, huko mali watu wanauawa. CNN the same, Al Jazeera the same. But here, we kama Kenyan storyteller and JANJA la mjini, we are here to tell our story in our own way. Tunataka kukupea story yetu kama wa Kenya, design ambavyo tunataka kuwa perceived kama wa Kenya. Yeah, KIBERA as of right now, kuna 2 horses ambao wanaaminika wapo katika uaniaji wa kiti cha MP in this KIBERA. Having one is Imran Okoth, ambaye anavai as an independent, is the current MP in KIBERA. Alichukua kiti after the passing of his brother. And we have Mr. McDonald Mariga. Huyu alikuwa mchezaji. He was the best Kenyan player. He is the best Kenyan player in history. He was playing for Inter Milan, but right now I'm a shift to politics in the country. So these are the people that are anticipating kushindania kiti cha KIBERA kama wabunge. So we are here, we are going to show you the whole of KIBERA, we are going to tell our story. Tunaingia hii mitaa, yeah, and be sure you are going to get the best out of this video. Yo, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned as we walk the journey and we walk the talk with you. See you. One thing and one good thing as of right now na hii place, it's that unajua kitambo it was a Luo zone. It was a Luo zone kitambo. But sasa siku hizi kuna different ethnic groups. Kuna Waluya, kuna Wakikuyu, kuna Wakisii. And a lot, let me tell you one thing. Siku hizi hii nchi yetu sika kitambo. This country kitambo, ukisema ni kuoa, you are supposed to marry from your ethnic group. Kama wewe ni Mkikuyu, wewe Mkikuyu. Kama wewe ni Mjaluo, wewe Mjaluo. Lakini as of right now, mimi nikiwa Mjaluo, naweza kuwa na fiancé ama dem ambaye ni tribe ingine. So that's what now imejenga unity.
hii anticipation watu wanajaribu create ya kujaribu kuleta vurugu haileti.
Jamaa, yani kama ni basari, anasema atakuwa anatoa kwa usawa, hata kuwa na bagua dini wala kabila. Si wengine anajulikana kama Bernard, Otieno Okoza aka Kenyan.
A lot of businesses. All your people here are driving on small businesses. Sika kitambo venye this place ilikuwa inafika time kaa hii, people start running away. This place iko sawa. So naona kama these people are campaigning here, they are for Azimio and they are for Bernard Okoth. But here huku juu we have people wakina Mariga ndio hawa pia wanateremka. And this is what we want. Where mimi hata nikiwa opposition naweza campaign place yangu bila vurugu, hata tukikutana tunapitana bila vurugu. I get.
Like you all understand that KIBERA has been known as a place where tunavurugana, tunasumbuana, that Kenyans here are not at peace. But as of right now, tunasema form ni kureform. Vijana hizi area wamechange, and there is a lot of development in KIBERA. There is a lot of development, a lot of people, a lot of those youths kitambo ambao hawakuwa na kazi, ambao walikuwa wanavurugana, sasa wana kazi. You can see kids wanaishi na amani. Ndio nakwambia, imagine mtoto kama huyu unayemwona hapa na huyu mwingine ambaye wako hapo. These kids hawa tu si kabila moja, hawa ni watoto wa kabila tofauti. Mmoja labda ametoka huku, mwingine huku, na they are living in peace. Yeah, ndo maana nakwambia hivyo. And if you can see, there is a lot of construction going on in KIBERA as of right now. Kuna barabara zinatengenezwa. That's why I told you no international media will show you that KIBERA iko na flyovers, iko na, ukiangalia huko mwisho unaona manyumba za magorofa zile, unaangalia unaona barabara zinaendelea kutengenezwa. Kuna there's one thing that you don't know about KIBERA. KIBERA iko na estates. KIBERA iko na estates, si kama kitambo. Unajua kitambo KIBERA was known to be ni nyumba za mabati, kama si nyumba za mabati ni nyumba za matope. But as of right now you can see these slums, they have modern houses, other than before. They have modern roads. And let me tell you, this development that this government has been there, it has brought, you know, I don't campaign for anybody, I don't champion for anybody, but I can say as of right now, the roads that we have in KIBERA, as you can see the construction which are going on, these roads don't belong to anybody that is coming to be employed to do them. Hizi barabara ni vijana ambao wapo kule KIBERA ndio wanashikana, wanapata hizi kazi na wanaendelea kutengeneza hizi mabarabara. That's why I'm telling you, there is a lot of development in KIBERA as of right now. Now, if you see the houses, there's nobody will tell you that there are estates in KIBERA.
Yo, people, this is the KIBERA that we are in. A beautiful country and a beautiful place that we are in. Seeing our kids live the best life. There are a lot of people in this country that grew in this area. Kuna vijana wengi sana ambao ni wasanii. They grew in these places. They grew in these slums. Yeah. And you can see that although life sometimes is hard, we don't disagree with that, because everybody wishes to live a perfect and good life. Kila mtu anataka kuishi maisha fiti, kila mtu anataka kuishi life ni worthy ya tale. But even if you're born from where, hata uku umezaliwa wapi, you can still make it in life. A lot of people in this KIBERA born, played and swimmed in these dirty rivers that you can see. are now multi-millionaires in this country and billionaires that run great business empires. If you look around, you can realize that a lot of kids, unajua sasa kama sahii msimu kama huu wa siasa, shule zimefungwa and kids are out here trying to interact, trying to live a good and better life. So let me ask you, if it happens that our total, they are from different ethnic groups, but they're interacting, there is nobody that is as innocent more than kids, because these kids that we have in these places are living the best lives, interacting, loving, playing, inventing different games. Na wanapendana. Imagine you coming to poison their minds, telling them that we are not supposed to live like this because we are from different regions. It's a country that we want to interact freely. It doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter where you were born. It's the country that we want. And we know as time goes by, life changes, and we are sure life will change for the better, even of these children that are born in these places.
Politics, yes, that's what KIBERA is popularly known for. And mostly KIBERA is known as the center of the former Prime Minister RAILA ODINGA's campaigns and everything, because even RAILA ODINGA's vote is registered in KIBERA. So as we continued shooting, we had a whole day in KIBERA, getting to see how life is, what is happening in KIBERA, and how politics are going on in KIBERA. We found ourselves in the center of KIBERA politics. As I told you earlier, KIBERA as of right now, there are 3 main MP aspirants that are now contesting to win the seat of becoming the next member of parliament of KIBERA. We have Imran Okoth, the current MP, who took over after his brother died. Then from Imran Okoth, we have the guy that has been endorsed by RAILA ODINGA, that is Bernard Okoth. From Bernard, we have the UDA team, which is being represented by none other than the former footballer, now turned politician, Mr. McDonald Mariga. Looking at it, politics are becoming something that we can absorb even in KIBERA. Malambapo, kwa sasa, as you can see, this is a track ya RAILA ODINGA, and kuna track mumeona hapo mbele, track ya McDonald Mariga, which is UDA team, and the other one, the independent candidate, anavai Drew Nanindi anasimama as an independent candidate, that is Mr. Imran Okoth. Bernard Okoth, yeye ni wa ODM. So looking at it, unaweza sema that watu wanaelewa sahi siasa, watu wanaelewa siasa. Siasa ni wewe, bibi yako ana support, your wife is supporting one team and you are supporting the other, and we sit down, argue like intellectuals, and at the end of the day, we sit down and have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, because siasa si mwisho wa maisha. And look at it, how peaceful this place is. Even though it's the ghetto, how peaceful it is, it tells us a lot of what we should create this country to be, and not what people want us to perceive. The other day I had a politician tell us that you people don't fight. The president and his deputy who are making noises on social media or on media stations, or Mr. RAILA ODINGA and DP RUTO, these are best of friends, were best of friends, and they shall remain to be. Their kids know each other, their kids wanna date each other. But come to you, the mwananchi, who want to be used. Unakaa hapo, you want to fight for somebody that his daughter is married to the other son. Yani mtoto wa RAILA ameoleka kwa RUTO ama Uhuru ama another politician, Musalia Mudavadi. So Kenya, this is what we are doing, and we are doing it for we as a country. So This is a peaceful place. KIBERA is a very beautiful place, as you can see. Yeah, and I hope you understand that.
My people, tumekuwa the whole day in KIBERA, as you can see. Tumekuwa tukifanya a tour in KIBERA, shooting a documentary concerning KIBERA before the election hits, before siasa, before tufanye uchaguzi wa tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8. And I'm telling you, KIBERA as of right now is a very developed slums. Kwenye watu walikuwa wanatarajia ati kutakuwa. And speaking to different people, we have realized that a lot of people in this place as of right now wako kwa siasa zile za mimi nitachagua mwenye nitachagua, na akishindwa nashindwa na yeye, tunaenda nyumbani. Si ile unakumbuka sasa, there's that mentality ya kuput election it's a matter of life and death. Like mtu wako akishindwa ni kama hatuwezi ishi, you know. And we have realized that KIBERA saa hii si kama kitambo kwenye kulikuwa KIBERA, it was termed as a duo populated area. But saa hii Luos have intermarried with the Kikuyus. Kikuyus have intermarried with Luyas. So imagine unakuja kuleta ukabila kura za KIBERA as of right now, knowing that hii place, mimi bibi yangu ni Mjaluo na mimi ni Mkikuyu, ama mimi bibi yangu ni Meru na mimi ni Mjaka. Una get? So you can't tell me nifukuze bibi yangu kwa sababu eti my candidate ameshindwa. Mimi nahitaji kulea watoto wangu in peace, in a peaceful country, in a peaceful area and in a peaceful environment. And we have seen what KIBERA is right now. Alafu KIBERA has developed big time. Not like Kitambo. Kitambo KIBERA was overpopulated with mabati houses, mud houses. But as of right now, KIBERA is a place that we have seen estates in KIBERA. Yeah. Now, kwa wale wanauliza what am I achieving, I was going to KIBERA, so I had to buy Mera. Mera is one of the commodities that is highly used in Kenya. Yeah, ni miti ambazo, this mostly comes from Meru. Yeah, so I had to blend in. Unaambiwa if you go to Rome, do as Romans do. So I had to be a Roman in KIBERA, so as in to blend with the people. Together with my cameraman, Eric, we had to do things as the people here do, so that at least hatutakuwa na ile ya kuambiwa you can't shoot here, you can't do a video at this place, you can't do this at this area. You get? Yeah, na imekuwa awesome. You people have seen it. You have really seen what we have in this country, and I tell you, we have kicked the journey of telling our Kenyan stories in our Kenyan ghettos and how they have moved forward from what we knew back then. So tutaendelea na hiyo design, na tafadhali hapo kwa this channel we are kicking it off. It's Kenyan Storyteller. My name is Felix MWENDA, and I'm up here to tell my Kenyan story in a positive manner. Yeah, we are trying to change the narrative of what has been told for years. Yeah. Na wale wanasema Meru ni mbaya. Let me tell you, in Meru, I have people there. I was born and raised there, and this is what paid our school fees. This is what fed us. This is what contributed to our growth, paying school fees, build houses for us. It brought us to this town. So that's why what is this thing? Representation of our cultures. Yeah. And if you go to Luola, utajua kuna yao. If you go to Luola, kuna Ofero. These are things that people take as appreciation of their culture. Kama in the West, wametuzoesha tukule baga, tukule ndio tuonekane that we are fitting in, but no, this is us and this will remain to be us. Naambia subscribe. Yeah, this will be hearing on Kenyan Storyteller and also on JANJA MJINI TV.